Hey guys, it's Paweł from travelmonkey.info. Today I was in the hunting. I catch the wild pig, especially for my wife Karen, who loves these wild pigs. I pack her already, so this wild pig it will be look much better, and I will not be the dirty when I bring for you guys. So I want to show you how I have the couple new tools with this white piggy. 1 second. Fuck. The first is the, I don't know how called it, but you make this more sharp by the knife, and the special knife for the cutting this piggy. So can we start? I ask you go with us to the table, and I will start opening and feeding the piggy on the special plate. Now our wild pig, especially for my wife Karen. But before when we do this, I have to assemble small tool when we can put the piggy and we'll cut this. This is what we want to make. It's really simple. So here it's go the part of the part of the piggy. There is another. So can we start and can we assemble this? Damn it. Ta-da! It's ready. It was a long fight, but it's ready. Okay, when we have assembled for us, you know, the, well, I will say the porta presunto, porta jombono, ham holder. Is exactly ham holder. So in Spanish it will be porta presunto, in English ham holder, in Polish I don't know. Alright, whatever. Okay, so now we are packing our lovely pig. Will be used for that. Our knife. Pulling out. First, delicate, we take off this part. Another, we unhold the hunting pack, the hunting labor. I hand this in the really special bush. Karen will say this as maybe this is the jungle, but this bush or jungle is called careful. If you want to go hunting nice pig, you go for careful. Really important. If you will be in Spain, especially in Torrevieja, if you go for the careful, you will hunt lovely pig, and there is plenty. But you have to remember there is also a lot of hunters. Yeah, so you have to be fast when you're hunting. All right. So we unpacking, cut out everything. Hop, hop, hoppa, hoppa. The first part we already unpack. Is go really fast without any problem. With the delicate, take off the part out. Oh. The pig is still fighting. Doesn't want to go peaceful. But the knife is really sharp. We bought this special. Oh shit! We bought this. Specially, you know, the knife for our piggy. All right. So the delicate we can open on the end mainly, and keep our part. We can open on this end, cut it. What I will do, really simply, throw away the stuff, and what we see, it's coming our piggy. What the lovely. What a good, nice piggy. Oh. This is what we have. You see, the piggy can also walk. Yeah, so it's lovely. Still, there is some place. So now what we can do, we can put the piggy on our ham holder. And first time I also do this, so I have to figure out how I can do this. Okay, we can start from this way. Put the piggy. Go in, bastard. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Okay. And we screws to the bone. Lovely. You see, this is what it happened. All fat from the piggy. After hunting. Okay. Screws our piggy. It's hold it. We take the paper out. And it's ready. Okay, now we cut the piggy. We check from the one of the places what is the best. I don't know the technique of the cutting, but I will cut couple pieces and see how it's worked this. Oi, it's fat. Where is the right part? I will try cut from another way. Or we choose the only. Okay, here is will be nice, lovely piece. Oi. No, not possible bite. Another part. Here this will be the most lovely part. Oh shit. Very good.
There's instruction on the box how you can cut this.
And there's instruction. Oh yeah. Fuck, we put the piggy on the wrong way. No. Yeah, we have to cut from this part and go down. Yeah. So if I knew there's instruction, I would try cut. So punta, masa, contramise, pensum. So we try cut because we have the piggy on this way. We try cut from this way. Oh, okay, all right. Nothing complicated. I almost knew it. So we cut one more time from this part. Okay, we cut the part what we can use maybe later on, for the cooking. Oh, okay, we go slowly for the good part. Maybe it was a good idea. Oh, yes, nice part. Start be nice part of our wild pig. Yes, good one. Maybe you have to cut out the place. Okay. Nice one. Look much better. Karen, you want to try one? Good? How many pieces you needed? Couples, okay. Nice pieces. Okay guys, so this is how you assemble the ham holder. This is how you ham the white pig in Carrefour in Spain, exactly Torrevieja. So I wish you have a nice day, and I hope when you will be also in the area you will also hunt, you know, some lovely pig, wild pig in Carrefour. See you.